What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your storage capacity on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So what you want to do is simply do a swipe up and you want to go to settings here. Click on that. Then you want to scroll all the way down, guys. All the way down to where it says device care, click on that. Then you want to go ahead and click on storage. And from here, it will do a quick check and show you how you're currently using your storage. You can also click on show more, and that will show you a full drop down from the highest to the least how you're using your storage. So from videos, pictures, compressed file, installation files, audio, documents, apps, system, other files, and even your trash. If you're using like a SD card, you can just simply do a swipe from the right to the left, and that will open up the option so you can see what your storage looking like on your SD card. Now, if you continue to scroll down, you can also access your trash, unused app, duplicate files, and you can also see large files. You can open up each of them, and from there, you'll be able to delete additional files. You can also open up your trash and see what's in your trash. And you can even open up individual and you can simply go ahead and delete those. Very easy stuff, guys. So as you can see, I can click in my trash and I can find some of the things there, and I can simply either click on each of them and then do delete, or I can simply go ahead and I can select all of those files and do a delete all to clear my trash. And that's how you can easily go through, guys, and check your storage capacity on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and even how to delete those files. This will help you to increase your storage and also make your phone work better and faster. Really hope you find this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and if you're seeing the channel for the first time, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.